All right, so Trish and I triggered the bonus again, this time on a $15 bet
Woo!
with the blue and the red chicken. Apparently
snuck that
Trish
up
did
there?
not know I was on a $15 bet with that little bit of a surprise. Hit it, Trish.
Snuck that in there.
All right. Double that to 40 right off the bat.
Loving these little chickens.
Got the mini lined up there. Whoop, doubled that to 100 right off the bat. Nice.
There.
Got the major, the minor.
They're
Got a grand.
Why are Grand's pumpkins?
I don't know.
How come they're not squashed?
Got a major. All right. Okay. Good. Sick chickens.
They are hungover.
Okay, we need a multiplier.
Yeah, where the hell is cousin Louie? He ain't there.
He is not there.
You guys.
Oh man!
Oh, you guys had a double.
We got a double.
Nice.
Oh, is that his name, Louie?
Okay, we got a double on the 100. That could go to 200.
Pay attention. I didn't know
Very
that.
nice. Got the major. We are 2 away from the major up there. All right, we just doubled up the 50 to 100, the 40 to 80. Come on. Nice. Oh, got a minor. That's 2 away from the minor. Yep. Oh, this is going to be good.
Ooh, you vixen.
That goes to 100 to 30 to 30
Oh my goodness.
to 200 and to 160.
You're
We like
wild.
that. All right, we got 1 spin left, Trish. We need an egg.
Oh. No egg, honey.
No, and no minor. All right.
Sorry.
$840 on that one.
That's pretty good.
That was really good. Here comes the cutest part of the game. Winner, winner.
Oh, I don't think that's cute. I would have to debate that.
Really? You don't think that's cute?
Oh, this is adorable, but the cuteness. I'll tell ya, when they're sitting like that.
Yep. All right. So once again, please like and subscribe our channel. Me and Trish from Grand Casino Hinckley on Christmas Eve.